Welcome back to the class. So I hope you are getting it, understanding the solution. So now in this class now we're looking at another question on first principle. So let's see how to solve the questions on the board. So we have find the derivative of y equals to x to the power 3 from the first principle, or using the first principle. So solution. If you have to solve using the first principle, make sure you use the first principle. Don't use normal differentiation. Like if you have to differentiate this now, you just need to bring this 3 down and subtract 1 from the 3. So we have y equals to 3 x to the power 3 minus 1. We have y equals to 3 x to the power 2. So that means at the end, by the time I differentiate with the first principle, I must get y equals to 3 x to the power 2. So now let's solve. So now y equals to x to the power 3 using first principle. So now we have change, that is y plus delta y equals to x plus delta x all raised to the power 3. Unlike the first one that we did is x to the power 2, but this is x to the power 3. Now the next thing is just for us to expand x plus delta x in brackets all raised to the power 3. Unlike the one with powers of 2, we duplicate it and expand. But here now, for us to, if you are to duplicate and expand, it's going to take a longer time. So the best thing to use there under further maths is what we call Pascal triangle. So I'll say from Pascal triangle. So with the help of Pascal triangle, I can expand any expression with powers of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, likewise upward. So now, for Pascal triangle, which is also used in binomial theorems, so we have 1. If we have 1 under it, we have 1, 1. So we had 1, 1, we are having 2 at the center. Let's add 1 at the back, front. So we had 1, 1, 1 plus 2, we are having 3. 2 plus 1, we are having 3. If we had 1 again, 1 plus 3, I have 4. 3 plus 3, we have 6, and 3 plus 1, we have 4. We had 1, 1 again. So I should continue this now. I have 5, 10, 5. Now we have 1. We have 1. So these numbers are the coefficients of the letters. Unlike the first one that we did, we expand, we got the coefficient to be 1, 2, 1. So if we have our expression which is raised to the powers of 2, the coefficient is 1, 2, 2. But if you have for 3, for powers of 3, the coefficient will now be what? 1, 3, 3, 3. So let me show you what I'm trying to explain here. So let me expand this with a powers of 2. We have x plus delta x all raised to the power 2. Now, look up. Rather than replicating it, now expand. No, I won't do that. So let me go back. So the logic here is that we are having x. The power is x, the power is 2. So I have x is power 2. This will be increasing while this will now what? Will decrease. This will increase and decrease along the line. Likewise, this will also what? It will what? It will decrease and increase. So we have this with x is power 2. This is having x is power 2 now. The quotient here, since the power is 2, the power is 2, we have the quotient to be what? 1, 2, 1. So we have the quotient here to be 1, which is same thing as x is power 2. So we have x is power 2, delta x. The power of 2, this is x is 2 here. This one will now be the lowest, which is now what? 0. Plus, we have x is power 1. Is now what? Is now decreasing. Why this is what? Increasing. We are having our delta x, or is power what? 1. The coefficient is 2. The next one will be 2. X, 2x. 2x is power 1. Delta x, or is power what? 1. Plus, the next coefficient is what? Is 1. We have 1. X here now become what? Is 0. X here is 1. X here is what? Is 0. Delta x is power what? 2. So we have this to be x is power 2. Delta x or is power 0 is what? Is 1. Plus 2 x delta x plus x is power 0 is what? Is 1. We are having delta x or is power what? Or is power 2. So we go back to the previous video, you see that this is what we got. We're having x is power 2 plus 2x delta x plus delta x r is power 2. So now let's expand the one with a power of 3. With powers of 3, with power of 3. So our coefficients are 1, 3, 3, 1. So now we have from here, of which we have y plus delta y. We are having y plus delta y is equals to x plus delta x, or is power 3. So now let's expand this now with the coefficients. We are having y plus delta y is equals to x is power 3. The first coefficient is 1, which is x is power 3. Then we now have delta x will now be the lowest, is 0, plus 3 x is power 2, delta x or is power what? 1, plus 3 x is power 1, delta x is now what? Is now 2, plus 1, delta x is power 0, delta x or is power what? Or is power 3. So now let's simplify. Y plus delta y equals to x is power 3. Delta x or is power 0 is what? Is 1. Plus delta x is power 2. Delta x plus 3x delta x all square plus delta x or is power 3. So we now take y to the other side. Let's take y to the other side. We have delta y equals to x is power 3 plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x all squared plus delta x all is power 3 minus y. But y is what? Y is x is power 3, which is what is given. So now I substitute that. We have delta y. We have delta y equals to x to the power 3 plus 3 x squared delta x plus 3 x delta x all squared plus delta x all to the power 3 minus x to the power 3. So this we cancel this, we have delta y equals to 3 x squared delta x plus 3x delta x all squared plus delta x all to the power 3. So the next thing is just for us to divide through with what? With delta x. So divide through with delta x. Divide through with delta x. So we're having delta y over delta x is equals to 3x squared delta x over what? Delta x plus 3x delta x all squared over what? Delta x plus delta x all to the power 3 over what? Delta x. Now, delta x, we cancel delta x, we have delta y over delta x equals to this, we cancel this, now we have 3x squared plus this, we cancel this, we have 3x delta x plus this, we cancel this, we have delta x all squared. So now the answer that as delta x tends to 0, delta y over delta x will now be equals to the y over the x. So we have the y over the x equals to 3 x squared plus 3 x into brackets 0 plus 0 all squared. So we have delta y over delta x equals to 3x squared plus 0 plus 0. So finally we have the y over the x equals to 3x squared. So that is how to solve this with our first principle. So which our answer is 3x to the power 2. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be looking into another question. See you.